I am Michael, burning bright, bringing to you the sword of truth and light and the legion of truth and light. The angelic realm is around your family, is around your earth family, around your brothers and sisters. You are moving into unity consciousness. Trust that. Meditate on that. Think about that. Unity consciousness. The vibration of 2016. And here you are heading towards the end of that year, and many of you are in shock. You are seeing the polarization. This is part of moving towards unity. Again, find your 2016 unity invocations. Call on the unity within yourself every day. Call on the unity within the community around you, in your family, with your pets, with your children, with your spouses, with each other, within yourself. Then you'll begin to spread it out as it strengthens. Sit with your neighbors. Sit in groups. Come together in meditative groups. Many of you are coming together in meditative groups. Increase that. I am Michael, burning bright, bringing the sword of truth and light. I am Michael, burning bright, speaking to you. There is great music in the heavenly choirs now. The song of the angels is beginning to move into the earth. Open your hearts. It is subtle at first. You will hear it. You will see it. I am Michael, burning bright. I am with you tonight, as all the archangels are every night. All the guardian angels, we are with you. Increase your connection to spirit, increase your connection to the divine nature, and bring that vibration into your world in this moment. I am Michael, burning bright. Bringing the palms together in front of your heart chakras tonight, toning 3 times, opening yourself to the angelic realm however you wish to open it. Oh.